Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change column width on Wix. This is a simple adjustment, but it's especially useful when you want more control over the way different elements are positioned within a section of your website. If you're customizing a section in your Wix site and want more control over how your content is spaced, adjusting the column width is a quick and useful edit. This can help you create a cleaner layout, give more room to text or images, and make the overall design look more balanced. For example, you might want to make a text column wider so your sentences don't wrap onto too many lines, or give an image more space so it becomes a stronger visual focus on the page. To get started, open your Wix site and go into the site editor. This is where you can make changes to the layout and design of your pages. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the section where you want to adjust the column width. If you have a longer page, scrolling slowly through the editor can help you identify the exact section before making any changes. Take a moment to make sure you're working in the correct area, especially if your page has multiple sections with similar layouts. When you've found the section you want to edit, click directly on the column. Selecting the correct column first is important because Wix pages can contain several nearby elements, and you want to make sure you're resizing the column rather than accidentally selecting text, an image, or another item inside it. After selecting it, you should see the edges of the column become visible, including the left and right sides that you can adjust. These edges act as handles that let you resize the column visually. This makes it easy to judge the result as you work, instead of entering an exact measurement manually. Now, simply click and drag either edge inward or outward, depending on what you want to do. Dragging inward will make the column narrower, while dragging outward will make it wider. A narrower column can work well for smaller pieces of content, while a wider column can be useful for larger images, longer paragraphs, or sections where you want the content to have more breathing room. As you move it, pay attention to how the content inside the column responds. This helps you keep the layout readable and visually appealing. Try to make small adjustments at first, rather than dragging too far right away. That makes it easier to fine-tune the design and avoid throwing off the spacing in the rest of the section. Small changes are usually easier to control, especially when you're trying to keep several elements aligned with each other. If your section has more than one column, changing one may also affect the balance of the others, so it's a good idea to look at the full section after the adjustment. For example, if you make one column significantly wider, the neighboring column may have less room, which could change the way its text or images appear. Looking at the entire section helps you maintain a consistent and balanced design. Once the column looks the way you want, you're done. That's all it takes to change column width in Wix. It's a very simple edit, but it can make a big difference in how polished your page looks. Good spacing can make your content easier to scan, highlight important elements, and give the page a more professional appearance. As a final tip, after adjusting the width, preview your page to make sure everything still looks good and that the content has enough space. This is especially helpful if your column contains text, images, or buttons that need to stay aligned properly. It's also worth checking how the section looks at different screen sizes if your Wix editor gives you responsive or mobile viewing options, because a layout that looks great on a desktop may need additional adjustments for smaller screens. And that's it for this tutorial. You now know how to quickly change column width on Wix using the editor's drag controls. With just a few small adjustments, you can improve the spacing, balance, and overall appearance of your Wix page.